Welcome to the channel viewers. I hope you are all fine by the grace of Allah Almighty. So today in this video you will get very beautiful and very stylish baby girls lawn and cotton stuff frocks design. This is very beautiful, very latest, very colorful and very stylish little baby girls dressing ideas for casual wear. I hope you will like this video. Viewers, I request you please must watch this video completely so that you can get idea. This is very beautiful, very latest and very stylish party wear and casual wear printed shirts designed for baby girls. If you are new in my channel, I request you please subscribe to my channel and please press on the bell icon so that you can get our daily updates. If you will not press on the bell icon, you will not get any update or any kind of notification from this channel. So this is very beautiful, very latest and very stylish little baby girls frocks design. Viewers, if you are watching this video and you did not subscribe to my channel, so please subscribe to my channel first for more latest videos. And please must press on the bell icon so that you can get our daily updates. So in this video you will get almost 30 plus very beautiful and very latest baby girls frocks design. I hope you are enjoying this video and I hope you will like this video as well. So lots of baby girls dressing ideas for casual wear are given in this video. If you use social networks, so you can share my videos or my channel link with your friends on social network. And for more latest videos, visit my channel on daily basis because we upload videos on daily basis for you. What kind of fashion related content do you want to see in my channel? Please must tell us, so we will try to upload that videos and that content according to your choice. So lots of little baby girls dressing ideas are given in this video. I hope you are enjoying this video. This is very beautiful and very stylish printed and plain little baby girls frocks designing. You can copy this design. You can also download this video in your gallery. Viewers, for more latest videos, visit my channel on daily basis. And if you are watching this video and you did not subscribe to my channel, so please subscribe to my channel first for more latest videos. Please don't forget to share this video with your friends. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to give your thumbs up. And please don't forget to give your comments under this video. We will wait for your comments. We will wait for your likes. Thanks for watching this video. Please always keep remember us in your special prayers. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz and take care.